Make no mistake about it, trucking companies, when one of their trucks is involved in an accident, they're going to have a playbook that they're going to use to make sure that they can protect themselves and deny liability. Here are some of the tactics that trucking companies use to protect themselves and avoid liability. If you find this helpful, please subscribe so you never miss the steps that'll protect your health and your case. Hey, I'm Rob Hartigan. I'm a personal injury attorney here in Boston, Massachusetts, and I've gone up against the companies and I know the tactics that they use to try to avoid liability, and that's no different than what a trucking company will do to try to protect themselves. Here's what the trucking companies will try to do as soon as the crash happens. So first, they're going to send investigators to the scene and try to collect as much information, witness statements, data as possible. They're going to try to get a copy of the dash cam video, try to download the black box video, and they're doing this to protect themselves. Often in cases, you'll see data or video that disappears right after a crash. It's always beneficial for you to hire a lawyer as soon as possible because they're going to notice in a preservation letter to the trucking company, to the insurance company, so that that data can be preserved and not lost. They also will try to send the insurance company adjuster maybe out to your home or send you an email making a settlement offer right away, particularly if it's a catastrophic accident, so that they can limit their exposure. As with most personal injury cases, the insurer for the trucking company, they're going to try to get a recorded statement from any injury victim as soon as possible. And usually the insurance company will try to take that statement and use it against the victim later on in the case. The trucking company has a playbook. The only question is whether you have the counterplay to beat them. If you or someone you love is dealing with this right now, you don't have to go through this alone. Please give me a call and I can help you get through the steps with this difficult situation.